This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Minute, the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Today's discussion is about Oracle. 4 or 5 quick points about Oracle. So first, Oracle itself is one of the largest sort of database software management systems in the country. Company built around that, magnificent and successful company built by founder Larry Ellison, who still really is at the helm, which is simply amazing after all these years. Second, Oracle stock down about 3% today, which for a tech company barely missing its earning estimates seems like almost a win in today's world. Third, their quarterly estimates, they missed their quarterly estimates barely, with essentially seeing revenue in the third quarter, $12.4 billion, still an increase of 18%. Analysts expected those revenues to be a little bit higher than that, but that's still an amazing quarter with revenues increasing 18%. Fourth, they've added on the Cerner business, which is one of the 2 great electronic health records companies. Cerner and Epic are the 2 largest in the business. They added on Cerner. They bought Cerner for about $30 billion last year. And at the end of the day, that seems to be performing fairly well. The next point on Cerner is that for Oracle is they're looking for great growth in their cloud business. This cloud business of sort of storing data, handling companies' computer needs by sort of renting out storage space, computing powers, and so forth, is a huge high profit business that essentially Amazon and Microsoft are almost built upon today. Their cloud business grew in the last quarter to $4.1 billion, so a huge growth, but not as much growth as the market expected, but still up 45% in the last quarter, so simply amazing. That's their cloud revenue business. They're working hard, as everybody is, as is Microsoft and Amazon and Google, to grow this cloud business because it's such a profitable business, and the perception is that people want the most secure, biggest companies to handle this if they're going to do it. So essentially, that's where they're at. But again, their cloud business grew 45% to $4.1 billion, not enough for the market. The profits of the company actually beat estimates, which is unusual today. Nobody seems to be beating estimates for profits. So essentially, Oracle, stock down 3%, but really at the end of the day, when you look at it, a great quarter with an increase in revenues of 18% to $12.4 billion, barely missing estimates, profits up per share, the cloud business up 45%, not as much as projected, but still incredibly healthy. It's really amazing to see some of these leaders, like Larry Ellison, Mark Benioff, to have the wherewithal to keep on coming back and keep on winning with their huge mega technology companies. It's really impressive what these 2 are doing. Larry Ellison at Oracle, Mark Benioff at Salesforce. In this world where tech companies are under fire, these 2 continue to perform. It's really something else. In any event, thank you for listening to the Becker Business Minute, the Becker Private Equity Podcast, and thank you to Jeremy Core and the magnificent team at Executive Podcast Solutions.